People, I'm in new leathers. I will do a little review on them, but I just wanted to go out for 10 minutes and see what they feel like on the bike. Red boots and black leathers. Bird shit on the mirror. Spin this bad boy around and I will see you on the roads. They're a bit tight. I was going to say as you can see, but you clearly can't. This is the first time I'm wearing them, so they're going to be a little bit not comfortable, let's say. Now, I brought these from Sports Bike Shop. I think they were reduced from 200 and something to 180. I brought them because I can't be wearing £25 H&M specials while on a superbike. It's not a good look. So for health and safety, I brought the leathers. Come on. Don't you dare. Now, they do feel a little bit weird, but that's a given. So these are my now new H&M £25 replacement jeans. Well, these are a lot more expensive and are going to give me a lot more protection. I've got a full one piece, which I very rarely make use of because it's too hot. So there's no point in having two. I thought it was raining then. That's just dirt on the... Is it dirt? Was it raining? If I've come out for the first time, this is the first time I've rode this bike in 2 weeks. Please don't tell me it's going to start to rain, because that is really going to get on my... Right, let me stick it in neutral. Might as well indicate, let them know where I'm going. Now, I don't know if that speed camera works, but I'm not about to find out. Thanks for not indicating. You absolute... I haven't ridden this bike in God knows how long. Two and a bit weeks. Feels weird. So I'm not trying to do anything too crazy. The boys in blue. K9 unit. We'll do a little trip through West Bromwich. It is windy as f. I feel like an absolute noob on this bike. Not riding this bike for 2 and a bit weeks. Feels horrible. I'm having fun. Believe me, I'm having fun. But it feels weird. Get through that. Indeed I can. Actually, it's getting this way. Not having no mirrors doesn't help. I am for sure that this camera is dodgy as f. It goes off by itself for no reason. So I'm going to stick to 29. Just in case. Come on, come through. Wait there. Thanks, Grandad, for not letting me go. That was my cousin. She's never seen me on a bike. And she still hasn't seen me on a bike. So that would have been pointless. She wouldn't recognize me anyway. I was thinking about going around them then, but maybe not. That was dangerous. The little baby's looking. I'm back in the ends. It's not like I actually left the ends, but what I'm going to do is end the vlog here and enjoy the rest of the ride home. So, thanks for tuning in. Peace out and see you on the next one.
If you're offended, I don't care, okay? Get off of my channel. I'm not kidding.